Hello, today we will guide you through how to create your first funnel in Funnelish. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started page. This is the main place where you can begin building a new funnel, and it's designed to make the setup process simple, especially if this is your first time working inside the platform. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can easily spot the tools you'll need. Next, look to the top right area of the screen and click on New Funnel. This starts the funnel creation process and opens the options available for building your project. If you're just getting started, using a template is one of the fastest ways to create a working structure without having to build every page from scratch. From there, click on the sample template. A sample template gives you a ready-made funnel framework, which is helpful for understanding how the different steps connect together. It can also save time, since you'll be editing an existing structure instead of creating each section manually. After selecting the sample template, click on Use Template. This tells Funnelish to load that template into your workspace so you can begin customizing it. Depending on your connection or the size of the template, it may take a moment to finish loading, so give it a second if needed. Once the template is active, you can begin editing and adding to it as needed. This is the stage where you make the funnel your own. You can review the content, update the design, and prepare each page so it matches your offer or brand. A good tip here is to move through the funnel in order so you can understand the full customer journey from start to finish. Now click on Checkout. This takes you to the checkout step of the funnel, where customers would complete their purchase. It's an important page because it directly impacts conversions, so when you review it later, pay close attention to clarity and simplicity. After that, click on Upsell. This step is typically used to present an additional offer after the initial purchase. It helps increase average order value, so it's useful to understand where this page fits in the sequence. Next, click on Upsell To. This is usually a second follow-up offer in the funnel flow. Reviewing it helps you see how Funnelish organizes multiple post-purchase steps inside one funnel. Finally, click on Thank You. This is the confirmation page customers reach after completing the process. It's the last step in the funnel and a helpful place to confirm that your flow is connected properly. And that's how to create your first funnel in Funnelish using a sample template.